Sakurajima volcano in Japan erupts. A volcano has erupted in southern Japan, sending an orange burst into the sky and lava rolling down the mountain. Volcanic lightning, very frightening. The country's meteorological agency said Sakurajima erupted at about 7 p.m. local time, 10 a.m. GMT. The public broadcaster NHK showed dark grey smoke billowing into the sky and lightning. There were no immediate reports of injuries. The meteorological agency however banned entry to the area, expanding an existing no-go zone around the crater to a 1.2-mile radius. The eruption, while dramatic, was average compared to Sakurajima's past eruptions, Kyoto University volcanologist Kazuhiro Ishihara told NHK. The mountain's last major eruption was in September. "I don't think there will be any serious impact from the explosion," Ishihara said. "But of course we must keep monitoring the volcanic activity."
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingmeme.webs.com.
We